Do 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 do. Here comes the sun. Noo noo noo. Here comes the sun, and I say it's alright. Do 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 do. Hey, BOOZHOO! Welcome back to BOOZHOO, Nana BOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. My name is Nana BOOZHOO, and this over here, this lovely young thing. Oh, get out of here! This is Natasha. Ikadon BOOZHOO, sweetie. Say hello to the people. Say hello to the people this morning. Say Ikadon BOOZHOO to the Anishinaabe. Hey everyone! BOOZHOO! BOOZHOO Gakina! Hello everyone! Welcome back to the show! I am Natasha, and I'm happy to be here today. Neiman Waindam, Jayan, Omanungum, and welcome to the show. Back to you, Nana BOOZHOO. And today, our Ojibwe word of the day has got to be, but of course, ODE'IMINI-GIIZIS. Strawberry moon. ODE'IMINI-GIIZIS. And that's what we call June in Ojibwe. ODE'IMINI-GIIZIS. And because this is the time of year where the strawberries come back. Oh, I really like those ODE'IMINI. I really like the strawberry. So yeah, it is the moon of the strawberry. Strawberry moon. It is that time of the year. And so this has been your Ojibwe word of the day. And it's a really pretty morning, isn't it, sweetie? Yeah, it sure is. So the sun is back, and the summer has begun. I mean, I know not technically, but you know. I just want to say congratulations to all the graduates, to people's schools out. Na 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 na. School's out for summer, and school's out forever if you graduated. Let's see. Oh, I got an announcement too. Should I tell the announcement? Yeah, go ahead. Tonight at 7 o'clock. Well, you know, this won't, if people watch us later, they won't. Well, we got a new song. We've got a new collection of songs, actually, on YouTube. And it's called BOOZHOO Nana BOOZHOO Greatest Hits. Oh, that sun's really in my eyes. Oh, geez, I can't even see. But, so come on over to YouTube and watch a whole collection of our greatest hits. And I should have put the greatest hits in, like, quotes, because, you know, we don't have any hits, but I thought, well, you know, just kind of a joke. And, let's see. Oh, you can also order t-shirts and a coffee mug or a hoodie. We're selling some merchandise now. Just click the link down here. All right, I've rambled on long enough. Unless you got anything you want to add. No, just make sure you watch the video tonight. Oh yeah, I never said that. And so tonight at 7 o'clock on Saturday, we're gonna preview a new video for a song called Home. And it's a song about my grandfather running away from boarding school, running away from the Flandreau boarding Indian school back in the day. And so we just made a new video. And that song's also on the Greatest Hits album. So all right, I've droned on long enough. Thank you for watching BOOZHOO Nana BOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. I am Natasha, and this is Nana BOOZHOO. And I will see you again. Gigawaba min! Minowa. Hoa. I don't know, I guess I was sort of chatty this morning. I know, you really were. Oh, this coffee's really good.